we are joined today by our guest, Jolene, from the cash management department. She has been here for, how long would you say?
About a year and a half.
Year and a half. Now she's cooking for us. So I do appreciate you coming on with us and being able to teach us a little bit of something. What are you making today?
Chicken Adobo, very popular Filipino dish.
Okay, chicken adobo. All right. So what ingredients do we need to get started?
Well, first of all, you're going to need some chicken. Now, everybody does this differently. I prefer boneless, skinless, but you can use any kind of chicken that you would like. Today, I will be using thin, boneless, skinless chicken breast, as well as boneless, skinless thighs. So I'm going to give you guys a mixture of light and dark meat.
What else do we need?
Then we're going to need some vinegar, white distilled vinegar.
Okay.
You're going to need soy sauce.
Soy sauce.
This is the key ingredient, I would have to say. I prefer a Filipino soy sauce.
Okay.
Silver Swan is my favorite.
Okay.
So that is what we have here.
Before we get started, talk to us about prep. What does it take for just the prep?
So the prep is pretty easy. What I did to cut down on time was I trimmed the chicken.
Okay.
I like to freshly grate my ginger root.
Mm.
This is what a ginger root looks like. I brought it out in its raw form for you, Kev.
She explained it to me because I'm a top ramen chef, if you will. Okay, so yes, I need all the visual aids.
You could buy minced or chopped garlic. I prefer fresh, so I chop my own garlic. But other than that, that was the only prep.
A do-it-yourselfer. Okay, I get you.
And then we have salt, pepper, and some bay leaves. Is that
Sugar.
the additional? Oh,
Sugar,
sugar.
pepper,
Okay.
bay leaves.
Okay.
So that
Awesome.
pretty much gets us started. So chicken adobo. I've never actually had it in my life. Have you had chicken adobo?
I have, and I haven't had it for about 20 years,
Oh.
and so I am so excited. Okay, so why is this meal special? What is it about it that makes you feel at home?
Well, I know that it is a very popular Filipino dish. A lot of Americans know what it is, so and it's easy to make. But I grew up eating this. I have cousins on my mom's side, so my mom is the white side of me, and then my dad's Filipino side. But it just brings me back to my childhood and even growing up. I didn't learn how to make this until I was in my 20s.
Oh, wow.
So whenever I would want it, I would ask my dad to make it. My mom, of course, over 30 plus years of marriage, before she passed away, told me how she makes it. So how I do it is a combination of my mom, my dad, and then myself.
Very cool. Sure.
Spin, right?
Yeah. Ooh, we gotta clean up spin.
Right? What does it take to get started? Where do we start?
This is basically put everything in the pot and let it go.
Okay.
Okay.
Like a dump or like a properly placed?
I would like to say that you can set it, forget it, but not really, because you'll see that I have to wait for it to get to a boil before I actually stir it.
Okay.
That's something that my dad very firmly told me. You put everything into the pot, but do not stir it until it starts to boil. I don't actually know why. Trying to get answers out of my dad is like pulling
Hey, if
teeth
Dad
on
said
the why.
so.
So if he said don't stir it till so I've been successful
Mm.
with listening to that. And then you do have to stir it once it starts to simmer, just so that nothing gets stuck to the bottom of the pan. But it's almost to set it and forget it.
Okay, Kev, this is the moment.
It's a moment I've personally been waiting this whole time for.
All right, are we ready? Okay. Jolene.
This should be criminal.
Yes.
Okay? The fact that I have to
Oh
go
my
back
gosh.
to top ramen after this,
No, because you have the recipe.
we'll see. We'll see if I can recreate it as good as this.
Oh, this is delicious.
This is heaven sent. Pretty much, Jolene killed it. This is adobo. I've never had it before in my life, and I'm so grateful to have it today. Thoughts? But amazing.
Yes.
We're gonna have to wrap this up so I can indulge myself. But I do want to thank everyone for being a part of this. Lisa, Jolene, of course. And we just get the benefit from it.
Yes. Yes.
Amazing.
Yes.
Cultural cuisine, everyone.